2 down. Now, all we need to do is get the little stripes off. Ow. Oh boy, do I love the new tinted windows on the Suburban. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Senate Steve, and today we're just gonna roll into the footage. But don't forget, every dollar you spend on knivesdeal.com will get you a chance. There goes Miles again. Will get you a chance to win this mini Jeep go-kart 125cc. It ends August 31st. You guys need to get your entries in now. I've had a bunch of people send me knives and things, and they've got their entries. This thing is not going to last. Somebody is going to win this, and they're going to enjoy it, and they're going to love it. But today is not about that Jeep go-kart, although it kind of really just was. But today is about the Suburban, obviously. Now, you do know I plan on keeping this vehicle, and it's, I don't want to say it's disgusting on the inside, but it's freaking dirty, and it needs a cleaning pretty bad. So this is above and beyond me. I want to get this thing deep cleaned. I actually want to really take care of this thing. As you do, no, it does have power seats and they do function, but this thing is freaking disgusting on the inside, guys. I mean, I don't want to put my kids in here yet. They've obviously been in here to help me, you know, check the brake leak and everything like that, but they have not actually been in here, and we haven't gone anywhere. So we are going to take this thing over to, ooh, ugh, I'm not touching that. I'm sorry, guys, over at the detail shop, but we're going to take it over to them and let them work their magic. I mean, this thing, it's been used for sure. I mean, it was definitely well taken care of, but it's definitely still in pretty dirty shape. I mean, there's just crap everywhere. So we're going to run over to CR Detailing in Linglestown, Pennsylvania. I want to give them, guys, a huge shout out for wanting to take on this disgustingly dirty project. But they said they are going to get it in. They can get it done today. They had a cancellation. Let's get over there and talk to those guys, and I will give you guys a before and after. I'm sure you guys are not going to want to watch this. I got a lot to get done. Stand by. Alrighty, well, we got a little bit of it off here, but CR Detailing has an opening for me to head on over and get this thing detailed right now. So we're going to stop what we're doing. We got to get the interior detailed, so let's head over and get that taken care of. There is honestly something amazing about these early 2000s, you know, I want to call them square body, but older body style Suburbans and Chevys that I just love. I mean, this has got to be one of the most comfortable seats. They're not, you know, leather or anything like that, but they're comfortable, they're squishy, they're not hard. This thing is quiet inside. Like, I'm sure if I stop talking, you guys can't hear anything. I mean, this thing is just smooth going down the highway. Now, it does have a couple warning lights. It does have the ABS light, and that is actually a fault that is in the electronic brake control module that's under the truck, which we will take care of. This is going to be a vehicle, guys, that I will, you know, take care of all of the lights. We will have no lights on this truck when it's all said and done. The engine light I did look for, and I will show you that as soon as we get to CR Detailing. It actually has no gas cap on it, so it has a evap leak, and obviously it's gonna have that because there's no freaking gas cap on the thing. So, but other than that, I mean, this thing is, I mean, it runs and drives down the highway pretty smooth, pretty straight. My phone is obviously always ringing, and you guys know that. I do apologize. I'm just gonna start putting it on silent. I'd rather miss calls than be, you know, messed up with you guys. But we are on our way to CR Detailing over here in Linglestown, Pennsylvania. I will have their link in the description down below. They are gonna go ahead and take care of the interior of this Suburban. It's definitely gonna be, you know, a much needed cleansing. It hasn't been cleaned in I don't know how long. And I think what we're gonna call this is the Urban Bourbon. I've seen a bunch of comments, so I think we're gonna name this the Urban Bourbon, guys. So Urban Bourbon's going to get a bath. Let's head on over here. All right, guys, so we have got the Suburban over here to CR Detailing. I will have a link to their description down below. You will be able to find them on not only Instagram, but also I'll drop the website down there. But they are going to take care of the Suburban and get us cleaned up. As you guys do know, like I said, it is definitely a dirty one. So Ryan here, we handed over the keys, and he's going to get us taken care of.
You got it.
All right.
Whenever you're ready.
All right, they're actually pulling me in right away. I'm excited. Man, I love this thing already. So they do a little bit of everything, and I wish you guys could just see how clean that Fox body really was. But as you can tell over here, they got a Ram SRT10 Viper truck. That thing is freaking pristine shape. And obviously they have trucks back here, which I'm assuming may be the employees, but they are absolutely spotless. So these guys, if you want your car detailed inside out, doesn't matter what you need, definitely check them out. CR Automotive Detailing in Linglestown, Pennsylvania. Again, link will be in the description down below. Now I got an ear for my truck, and I can hear it coming. Man, I love this truck. Look at that thing. It's so weird to watch it drive. Unbelievable. I love this thing. Oh, my screen is super messed up. Oh boy, this thing is freaking spotless now, guys. There's no more spider webs in the cup holders. The carpets look amazing. It's like a whole new truck. Oh, I'm excited. Now we can actually take some time, get the engine light and everything off, and actually enjoy this with the family. All right, guys, they did an absolute amazing job. Now, obviously, you know, some of these stains have probably been in here for 10, 12, 13 years, but this thing looks freaking amazing. So definitely, guys, definitely check out CR Auto Detailing in Linglestown, Pennsylvania. I've got to show you the back carpet, of course. The back carpet came out freaking amazing. Oh man, that thing looks freaking killer. I can't wait to get the kids in here and actually start enjoying this thing. So stay tuned. We'll talk to you when we get to the house. All right, well, everybody has said that these wheels are gonna go orange. Are you ready to show them?
You gonna see them.
Bam, there they are, guys. All right, I'll get them loaded up. Definitely check out JS Coating. The number is there. I'll try to put a link in the description, which I always say that and I never do, but I'll try. But definitely check him out. He does fantastic work, and you guys are gonna love the way these wheels turned out. So thank you. All right, guys, well, we got the wheels loaded up in the Suburban. Of course we had to drive the Suburban doing Suburban things. So again, huge shout out to JS Coating. Now this is honestly Jeremy's car, and it looks freaking killer with them wheels. Definitely check him out. He does fantastic work. Alrighty, guys, are you ready for the big reveal? We got the tires mounted. We got to get them cleaned up. You know what? You're right. Let me get the tires cleaned up, and then I will reveal to you the new wheels and tires for the Suburban. You're not going to want to miss these. Alrighty, guys and girls. Now we have the new wheels and tires installed on the back. Now keep in mind, guys, we are still lifting this, but the new ones are on the back. We can't put the front ones on because they will rub. Obviously, you know, with these Chevy trucks and things like that, you can't put tires on the rear. It just fills the wheel well like no other. But oh, look at the sun glaring in the GoPro just right. But we'll go over here. Look at the poke. Got that little bit of poke, which I absolutely love. I don't like crazy wheel offset. You know, as you can tell, it's probably about 1.5 inches out of the fender. Almost about the same as the F450 is here. It's just enough to get you in trouble, but not quite enough that they're gonna stop you. But look at the poke out past it. I guess now it's time to reveal it, guys. So there is the new wheels. Now keep in mind, guys, I do have black lug nuts on order. I will pick them up, and I think that is really going to offset this thing and offset it well. Oh man, just imagine black lug nuts there. It'll be the contrast and the difference, you know, between the rivets that are on the wheel. It's gonna look freaking sick, guys. But the Suburban has some new chunky tires, and I mean, this build is kicking off great. So stand by. I might just raise the front, and I might just do it. I think I should do it. Let me just do it. All right, I'm gonna raise the front and put the rims on the front. We're just gonna go for it. The heck with it. But we are still lifting it. Stand by. All right, guys and girls. Well, there it is. There is the Urban Bourbon, and it now has its new wheels and tires on, and it looks freaking sick, guys, to say the least. Sorry about the cicadas. Sorry about the kids laughing and carrying on in the background, but man, did this thing do a total 180 transformation since we had purchased it. I mean, it literally was something that sat in the weeds for 2 years, and now all of a sudden, I mean, obviously the windows are tinted, excuse me, but man, let me pull this thing up, close the windows, and just give you guys a rundown, and I will get into our new sponsor, which you guys have been dying to hear who is joining this freaking build. And I can't wait. I can't wait to tell you who's joining this build, guys. Stand by. We're gonna put the windows up, do a little photo shoot, and I'm gonna roll into the footage. Alrighty, guys, so right behind me is the new look 100% for the Urban Bourbon, guys. It looks freaking killer. Now, I am still waiting on a set of black lug nuts to arrive, which I didn't realize that I was going to do it until Saturday, so I just ordered them. But we are going to put black lug nuts on here, which should actually pop with the black rivets. I mean, this thing is starting to look freaking sick. So again, these tires were on RJ. I'm not sure if I put that in the video or not before, but RJ lives on in yet another build that we have. So RJ lives on in the Bruce. RJ is now living on in the Urban Bourbon, and he's also going to live on in a build that Tunnel Chaser is doing. So definitely check out Tunnel Chaser. This is just freaking sick, guys. I love this thing, and I'm excited to now do the big announcement, guys. So I've been on, you know, the horn and talking to a couple different lift companies and everything, and I think I found the lift company for us. So I reached out to them. Well, they got back to me, and they said, we have a kit that is going to put that thing 6 inches higher. It will clear the 35s. Now, as you do know, it is rubbing just a little bit on the front. But I just put this on here, guys, just to finish out the video so I could kind of get this information out there. But it will clear the 35s. I won't have to trim anything. And we are going to have to thank Rough Country Lift Kits for joining the Urban Bourbon. Now, they are going to send us their 6-inch kit, which is going to be freaking awesome on this thing. You guys know me by now. I gotta put things in the air. I enjoy things lifted. Don't get me wrong, I do love the Corvette and everything like that, but I have a weakness for lifts and lift kits and just things that are up in the air and out of the ordinary, as you can tell by the Bruce. But there you have it, guys. The big announcement is Rough Country Lift Kits is now joining the Send It Steve sponsorship program, and I couldn't thank them enough for wanting to be a part of this build. This build is going to be freaking awesome. As you can tell, it looks amazing already, and I can't wait to kick it off. So we should have the lift kit here, I'd say, by about the end of the week coming up here, and we'll get it tossed on here. We might head down to Danny's Slow Restoration shop to put it on. I'm not 100% sure yet. I did talk to him. He does want it to come down there, but you know, I'm tossing around the ideas, guys. But there you have it. There is the new look, the new update on the Urban Bourbon. And I guess the last thing I will say, which before I end it, I'm sorry, I don't think we are going to cat eye swap it. I mean, there's just something about this look of a clean lifted 02 Suburban. I just freaking love it. I'm not going to cat eye swap it, guys. We might change up the lights. We might get some fog lights for it, and maybe do some ornamental lighting. I definitely want to put a little bit of a surround system in here. I'm not big on the radios and everything like that, but I probably will toss some kind of you know, speakers and nice radio in there, maybe with like a projector so we can watch movies on trips and things like that with the kids. But there you have it, guys. If you guys like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. Turn on notifications, guys. I never say that. We have some big things coming to the channel, and I also want to thank you guys for 85,000 subscribers. That is freaking amazing, and I thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate each and every one of you. So again, guys, if you like the content, smash that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next upload.